Today we're going to talk about 3 common mistakes that a lot of men in long-term relationships make that can unintentionally hurt their chances of having amazing sex with their partners. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Nazanin Moali, clinical psychologist, certified sex therapist, and host of the Sexology podcast. Don't worry, these issues are super common. And I'll also share some simple, practical tips to help you reignite your intimate life. But before we dive in, if you're looking to learn how to have incredible sex with your partner or bring the passion back in your relationship, this is the channel for you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get started. Number 1 mistake is assuming what happens outside the bedroom is irrelevant. The first big mistake is thinking that everything happening in your daily life, like stress, unresolved argument, or even your long to-do list, doesn't affect what goes on between the sheets. Spoiler alert, it absolutely does. Emotional well-being, communication, and stress levels can make or break a sexual experience. If you're feeling tension from your daily routine, it's bound to follow you into the bedroom. You have no idea how many of my partners have had issues around sex due to the conversation around their taxes. So it's important to make time to address issues openly with your partner, take turn listening without judgment, and find ways to reduce stress together. Maybe it's a quick walk, a warm bath before sex, or just sharing a cup of tea before bed. When you nurture emotional connection outside the bedroom, you set the stage for deeper intimacy inside the bedroom. Also, this is always a win. Do something that takes off something from their chore list, whether it's washing dishes, letting her sleep in, and taking care of the kids, or putting gas in their car. Of course, you're doing it because you care for them and your family, but also it can really help with your sex life. Number 2, rushing to intercourse, oftentimes because of fear of losing erection. Rushing to intercourse because you're worried about losing your erection or feeling pressure to perform can really dampen your excitement and your sex life. Because when you're not spending time doing foreplay, it can negatively impact your relationship. Your partner is not ready or aroused enough yet. It can make the experience less exciting for both of you, which doesn't help things around erection neither. If you're dealing with unpredictable erections, it's worth figuring out the root cause so you can address the real issue. Need help? Take our free quiz to find out your next step. The link is below this video. Rushing denies you and your partner the chance to fully enjoy foreplay and build arousal. You're also putting a lot of pressure on yourself, which can create a vicious cycle of stress. The solution is slowing down, focus on sensual touch, kissing, other form of playful intimacy. Think about intercourse as one item in sexual menu. It's not the whole menu. The more you ease into it, the more your body and mind sync up for an enjoyable experience. If you do experience any performance hiccups, keep the mood light and stay curious. Intimacy is about connection and not perfection. Number 3, sticking to the same old routine. Let's talk about it. Having your go-to moves is great, but if you never mix it up, things get a little bit boring, especially for women. Guys are often more visual, so just seeing their partner naked might be enough for them. But for many women, doing the same thing over and over can totally kill the vibe. Novelty sparks desire. If you're doing the exact same foreplay or position every time, you might be missing out on new pleasure, sensation, or emotional connection. My invitation for you is to be curious. Ask your partner what they like to try. Maybe it's a new position, a different time of day, or using a toy. Even small changes like switching up the order of things or dimming the light can really create a fresh atmosphere and can reignite the spark. Let us know in the comments that what have worked for you when it comes to novelty in the past. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and follow our channel. I'll see you in the next one.